High winds whipped through the state overnight with gusts reaching as high as 50 miles per hour, as Kelly said, causing damage to trees, power lines, and homes across the state. A car was crushed by a large tree limb in Springfield, blocking Rimmon Road for hours overnight. 22 News crew was there and saw the removal of the large tree. No one was injured, but the car hidden beneath the branches was crushed. Damage was also reported across the region, with trees and wires coming down in West Hampton, Southwick, and Munson. That damaging wind continues to whip across western Massachusetts this morning. 22 News anchor Taylor Knight is live in Southampton with a look at conditions there.
We're at Southampton Town Hall right now, and these wind gusts out here are pretty strong. There's a flag next to me, and it is just straight out right now on the drive here. Lots of branches in the road, debris being blown all over the road. So just be aware of that as you head out the door this morning. Here in Southampton, they were hit pretty hard by these damaging winds overnight. At one point, more than 75% of the town was without power. Now that number is down to less than 150 customers right now. And again, when you head out this morning, just be aware of any downed power lines. Move away from them. Don't touch them. The ground around these power lines up to 35 feet away could be energized.